I wake up now. Morning, man. Thank God for wake up. So they got your bed, you never wake. Thank God for wake. Spend a lot of time with them. Can't spend enough time with them. Eh? Why? I couldn't sleep late this morning. This morning I couldn't sleep late at all. The way my gut feel hungry. Last time I eat some of the fish soup and trust me, full of gas. And I am one plate and I am the second plate. And it's like it's so full up in my gut, I didn't feel the food up in my chest. And I end up yam too much. And then later on the night, I start to feel hungry. Like I never eat no dinner at all. And I said to myself, I feel like I not eat nothing. You know? So right now I get up early. Because I feel like I never eat nothing. And I'm going to the store on Eastern Parkway. I'm going to see if I can find some bulgur. Because we didn't see some bulgur up there. Enough people don't know what bulgur is. You see, bulgur, I used to get bulgur when I was in school. I used to get a lot of bulgur. And the bulgur, you can't cook a bulgur like rice. You can't make porridge with it. I love bulgur porridge most of all. Are the best. Yeah, man, are the best. So, right now I go up the road. I'm going to get some bulgur to make some porridge. Because I'm hungry in the morning, yeah. And that's what I want to eat. You see what I deal with? Somebody just come up on the road and said, let me get it done early, come and figure work today. I don't know it go already. So, therefore, and then, I'm up on the road early in the morning here. Yeah. So, big up on yourself, and God is good. Right? Big up on yourself. Toronto, England, Jamaica, Grenada, Guyana, St. Lucia, St. Vincent, all of them, I love when I big up on myself. Right? And I'm out here early in the morning in Brooklyn. And today I feel like it's going to be a nice day today. It's not feeling too humid or nothing, you know, just feel nice and cool. Yes, so I wonder if today I'm going to be hot, but not as hot as the other days, hopefully. Yes, brother. I don't want to come melt off a little bleaching off my skin. Hello. Hi. So good morning, my people. So I want to go and see if I can get the bulgur. And then I'm going to come back and put on a big pot on the fire. And make it roll and boil on the gravy, baby. Yeah? So, when I say people open my barber shop open this early. Right, them come early and open and see them with our work and they come like we are work. So, basically that's what going on right now. So I walk out the store to see if I can get the bulgur and the sugar. Because I already have the coconut milk. And maybe it's like a regular milk with the coconut milk. You know it go already. This is one, yeah. So I walk on the road and get my bulgur for make my porridge. Good morning. How are you this morning?
Good.
I want big artist this, you know. Big up yourself, boss. What's your name again? What is that?
Shiloh.
Rasta Shiloh.
Yeah.
Don't want to go like you're a stranger seeing. A long time I know you, you know.
Don't know, you know.
A long time, you know.
Rastafari.
You don't know, you know. Selassie son, big up a big artist this.
man.
Down by the river. That song you always sing, I've been running since.
Are you satisfied on that song?
Can you give me a little please? I love that song.
Up
You just wake up artist now by you. You have to ready all the time because enough people are going to see you.
Rasta ready anytime, man.
So just shoot up because when you do the thing, I'm say shout, the people might hear you. They might hear you. Shout.
You mean
Later, my youth.
up here?
Yeah. All right. Well, I'm a pretty friend. My girl is to buy bulgur. You look cute. Where I come from? All right, so me I go. I show look good without makeup. You look good. You want to show your face? I'm show your friend. Then. My pretty friend. I'm a friend. This from Jamaica. She's Jamaican. So we all are one. You look beautiful, baby. You look nice. I love you. I'm gonna get bulgur for make porridge. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Yeah. All right. Yeah. So I'm running to people all the while. That guy was an artist. He's an artist. Man, I've ready all the time, you know. Because anytime some people run up and say, yo, spit a word. My brother will spit on them, you know. Toy. My brother will spit out some kind of something. You see, you're an artist. And so you go. That boy I come me road one time, I did talk, you know, I did there one time. And I did there one time. Fuck, I run going to the bank. I just come to America, you know, I did fall out. Yeah. Because I tell him, I not have no baby. I mean, my boyfriend and girlfriend. How you doing? You good, you good? All right. Yeah, so, yeah, a long time. Why, what is? Everybody get old up, no one great, no one, everybody look old nowadays. That's the time fly. A couple of days, I come up on the parkway, yeah. It look nice up here though. The crosses, them sit down for me, I give them time to take it in. I give them time to drink me name like a cup of coffee. I give them time, and so they have to get out of people way. And give them space. So that is it right now. So right now, walk across, I'm gonna get some bulgur, and I'm ready to roll. Hello people! Good morning people! So, I said go Jamaica, big up yourself, my love, you know. I miss Jamaica though, you know. Because the bulgur down there, the sweetest bulgur. When my bulgur up, I can't sweet like the Jamaican bulgur, trust me. But I'm going to try the American bulgur. I don't know where it come from, but right now I'm going to try it.